Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be talking about how to do shake transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. But before getting started, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, as well as you can follow me on Instagram. My user is Augmentary. So let's get started. So here I have imported the video and the audio. So we'll simply drag the video and the audio to the timeline and adjust the video as well as the audio, basically syncing them together. So let's trim the video and the audio accordingly. So I'll adjust my video accordingly to the audio's beat so I can execute my transition over there. After that, we'll select a portion of the clip and cut the portion by razor tool. Then after cutting it, just select the portion and press the Alt or the Option in the Mac to duplicate the clip and place it above the selected clip. Then select the duplicated clip and we'll go to Effect Control Panel. Under the Effect Control Panel, we will reduce the opacity around 50 to 60, as well as we will change the position of the clip. Then let's come to the starting of the selected clip and we will create some frames in the rotation as follows. So we will create 4 keyframes. The second and the third keyframe, we will change the positions of the second and the third frame. For filling the portion of the frames in our clip, we will change the scale by creating keyframes. So we just simply have to fill the frame by increasing the scale value. And remember, starting and the ending keyframe should be at default value. Now we will do the following to the other section of the clip as follows.
Perfect.
So by the end of the video, I hope you have learned how to do a shake transition in your video, and I hope you found it easy and useful. Thank you.